I spoke to the CEO of Pfizer, Albert Bourla, about what message today's approval should send to those who have questioned the approval process. This is the fastest approval the FDA has conducted on a drug. You'll recall the speed was one of the things that worried some people who were cautious and hesitant. They thought this process was moving way too fast. What do you say to those folks now?
I think that for those people that they were a little bit reluctant because they wanted to see a full approval, now they have the full confirmation of one of the most respected agencies in the world, the FDA, that the product, the vaccine, is effective and safe.
Talk, if you can, for a moment about the safety. What have you learned about serious side effects in this vaccine?
There are very rare. There are side effects, and some of them serious, but they are very, very rare.
And what can you tell us about the effectiveness of the drug? We know it was 95% against guarding against infection back in those initial trials, now down to 91%. Is this a one-way trip downward for this vaccine?
We realized through the real-world data that after several months, there is a need for a booster, because that will continue providing you the high level of efficacy that you observed immediately after the second dose.
As you know, we're seeing a lot of companies and institutions right now moving toward mandating that their employees or their students get the vaccine. Does Pfizer expect to require and mandate its employees become fully vaccinated?
We have asked our employees that they should be fully vaccinated or taking twice a week the test. But, we have approximately 90% of our people already vaccinated, fully vaccinated.
Do you anticipate or maybe stay up at night thinking about the possibility you're going to have to go back in the lab at some point and come up with something better?
Oh, yes. And we do that constantly. We are making right now a specialized vaccine for Delta. I'm almost certain that we will not need it, because booster shot of the current vaccine is very, very, very effective against Delta. But we cannot take that chance.
On vaccines for younger children, Mr. Bourla told me he expects the company's vaccine studies on children between 5 and 11 in age will be completed in September.